Hey guys, I'm sort of in a hurry. I'm on my way out, but I just wanted to hurry up and show y'all how I put on my ponytail. You know, I know a lot of you already know how to put your ponytail on. But you know, there's actually a lot of people who really don't. I'm out of breath. So anyway, thank you for coming back to my channel. And for those of you who never been here before, welcome to my channel. And when you get a chance, go ahead down and press the red button and subscribe. So I'm just going to start off by, I had combed my hair out earlier and just put in 4 braids until I was ready to get dressed. And this is what I use to moisturize my hair. I'm going to start taking these braids out so I could just pull it up into a ponytail on top of my head. Okay, so first I'm just going to take this here and I'm going to take my wig brush. Well, actually, this is what I'm going to do first. I have this ponytail from Sam's Beauty. It says Pony Pony and it's in a 1B. And I can't remember exactly the name of the ponytail, but I'm going to put it either across the screen or in the description box or both. But it's a nice long one. I think it's 30 inches. Yeah, it's a 30-inch ponytail. So I've worn it before. And then I just put it back in the plastic. So I'm just going to brush it out a little bit. And if you want a little more shine, what I usually do is use some kind of oil sheen, like Motion's oil sheen. I love this ponytail. Anyway, if you check out my IG at PattiCakeGal, you'll see a picture of me also with this ponytail on. Alright, so I'm just going to brush it up to the top of my head. I'm going to try to get it as smooth as possible. Now this ponytail also has a drawstring on it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a regular brush and I'm going to just start brushing it to try to smooth it out. And once I have smoothed it out, I take this Ampro Clear Ice Gel. You could use the dark gel as well. You could use whatever gel you want, but this is just the gel I use. And then I start putting it on. Not too much, not too little. Like for one portion of my hair, I'll use about this much. Like that'll get both sides. And then I'll put some on the back. Then I take my regular brush and brush it out again. Everything's falling. I'm sort of in a hurry, so that's why I have things in the way where it's falling. I know some people even put a little water on it for more shine, but I guess that depends on the texture of your hair. Alright, then I just take a regular hairband. And see how I'm pulling it towards the top? I pull it towards the top. And I'm just going to take a regular hairband. And I'm going to turn it around so that the hairband is wrapped around twice, which leaves it with 3 different rows of hairband. And then I pull it like this to make sure it's tight. Then I take the brush And I brush it. You can put some more gel if you want. I think I'm going to put a little more gel. And then I brush it more to keep it down and to brush down any kind of flyaways. Then I just take my hair and split it in half like this. And I take both sides and I twist it around. Then I twist it around in a bun, but you don't want the bun too high up because then the ponytail might look funny. And then I take the small size bobby pins like this and I pin that down. Let me push it back just a little. But you have to make your bun small enough to fit inside of the little pocket at the top of the ponytail. So I put about 4 bobby pins. About 4 bobby pins. Now see, this is a drawstring ponytail. There's a comb at the bottom, and there's a drawstring, and then there's a comb at the top. I have to brush it again because this is one of the things that fell on the floor. Okay, so you just spread that little opening. Well, you take the drawstring and you pull that down some so you can spread the opening to fit over your little bun. And what I do is I put the front comb in first. And then I pull it over the entire bun and put the comb into the back. Then I take the drawstring and I tighten it. Then I take a piece of hair from the side, the front side. I take a piece of hair and then I just wrap it around. And then I take the end of it and I pin it in the back with another bobby pin. This is how it looks. Okay, the next thing, if you don't of course you don't have to wear baby hairs if you don't want to, but I think I'm going to use a few baby hairs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little brush with the little comb on, and I got this from Target actually. I ordered it from Target. And I'm just going to take just a little baby hairs and brush it out in the front. I don't want a lot. Just going to do a little. And then I'm going to take my Got To Be Glue Gel Ultra. I use the black one for my baby hairs. Not to hold down the wig, only for baby hairs. And I'm just going to put it on the little bit of baby hairs that I brushed out in the front. Then I'm going to take the brush end and I'm just going to try to make some baby hairs. It's kind of hard for me to do baby hairs because my baby hairs are kind of long. like I Dream a Genie. I look like all the girls in France do the hula hula dance. But look how pretty this ponytail is. Then you take a long scarf, a long thin scarf, and you tie it around your head, around the baby hairs, around the front of your head to tie them down. And you leave that tied on for about 10 minutes. And I'll be back to show you the final result.
A few moments later.
You put on some big hoops to finish the look. Everybody let me know what you think about this ponytail. And comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I love you. And I appreciate you. See you next time.